The truth is, with the right cardio equipment, you can get in great shape without even having to leave the house. So in today's video, we considered quality, features, and value when narrowing down our final picks for the top 5 best cardio machines available now. Let's get started. Number 5. Budget pick. Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper Stair Stepper with resistance bands. If you've ever taken a flight of stairs at a quick speed, you know how it can get your heart pumping. The Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper Stair Stepper mimics that same stepping movement, making it great for a cardio workout. The Stair Stepper machine is a good budget option that comes with removable training bands that let you tighten and tone muscle groups in the upper and lower body with low-impact aerobic exercise. It has a built-in hydraulic system to make each step smooth and easy on your joints. You can use the height adjustment knob to suit your needs, and it also includes resistance bands to work your upper body as well. Number 4. Rowing Machine Pick. Concept 2 Model D Indoor Rowing Machine with PM5 Performance Monitor. Few things get the blood pumping quite like a rowing machine. And with the Concept 2 Model D Indoor Rowing Machine with PM5 Performance Monitor, you can easily have one in your home gym. This rowing machine is a low-impact way to exercise all muscle groups, including the core, lats, arms, and legs, while burning calories. The Performance Monitor 5 keeps track of your data, including your heart rate, and connects to various apps as well. The 14-inch seat height and adjustable feet are made to provide a comfortable experience for most users, while ergonomic handles make it easy and comfortable to grip. Number 3. Vertical Climber Pick. RELIFE Vertical Climber for Home Gym. We love that you can enjoy some benefits of climbing in your home with the RELIFE Vertical Climber. This climber comes with 5 adjustable levels and has sturdy footplates that give you somewhere stable to step, as well as 4 metal guide rails that make the entire unit more durable and stable. With the incline of the pedals, you'll have your center of gravity shifted closer to the front, which can provide you with a greater sense of stability as you climb. The best thing about climbing machines like this is they burn a lot of calories and take up less floor space than most of the other types of cardio machines. Number 2. Stationary Bike Pick. Schwinn Fitness Indoor Cycling Exercise Bike. With the Schwinn Fitness Indoor Cycling Exercise Bike series, it doesn't matter where you are in your fitness journey. The bike will assess your fitness level and make daily routines that are adaptive and will adjust automatically as you improve. The magnetic resistance features 100 micro-adjustable levels, so you can easily fine-tune the way the bike reacts to your movements. The full-color backlit LCD console will keep track of speed, time, distance, heart rate, RPMs, and calories burned, so you can get a good look at the data for all of your workouts. There are also virtual riding options that can immerse and challenge you to keep going every day. Bonus pick. Stamina InMotion Compact Strider. Under-desk seated mini elliptical. If you want to get in some cardio while you work, you can make the most of your time at your desk with the Stamina InMotion Compact Strider. This mini elliptical can help you get moving while you're seated, and it's portable, efficient, and quiet, so you won't disturb anyone nearby. It has an adjustable tension level with a monitor that allows you to see the settings and stats. It's also quite portable, so you can take it out and put it away easily. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Combo Pick. Body Power patented 2-in-1 elliptical machine and stair stepper trainer. Last but not least is the Body Power 2-in-1 elliptical machine and stair stepper, which combines a stair stepper and elliptical into one design. If you love elliptical and stepping workouts but you're short on space, this machine can give you a total body workout in one space-saving unit. It's solidly built and easy to use, with features like 2-directional curve crank technology to give smooth resistance, and it can be adjusted to 8 levels of intensity. It also has features like stat tracking, a media shelf, and a compact design, making it a very good option if you only have space for one piece of cardio equipment in your home. Do you still need help deciding on the best cardio machine for you? Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of these machines. And remember to like, share, and leave a comment to let us know your opinion.